Hello, my dears, and welcome to Vlogmas 2025 Day 1. My name is Sarah with Sarah Sorts Her Shiz and Twilight Yarn Co. And I'm going to be here with you every day of December while attempting to sort my shiz. Shiz being work-related. We have orders or product and orders to sort for Etsy. We have things to make for Market. We have lots to sort, lots to do. Do you see this, all this yarn and their accoutrement? And we've got, there's some pom-poms. There are things that need to be sorted. There's shiz that needs to be attended to. We're doing all that. We're doing all that this month. The lighting and this will get better. Warning, I'm a hot mess express, but I mean well. So we're going to get together. We're going to do all the things, fix all the things that need sorted, not just business-wise. Also, I am an author, so I need to have books ready or plans for books for the new year. I want to do 12-week year in January, so there's a whole bunch of prep for all of that. I need to sort my Notion. I need to sort my motion. I need to sort finances. I need to sort my house. Are you sensing a theme here? There's a veritable amount of shiz that needs sorted. And I am taking you with me along for the ride. So thank you so much for being here. If nothing else, I am entertaining, hopefully. If nothing else, it's what not to do. Perhaps. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But thank you for being here, and I look forward to getting to know you better over the course of the next month. Have a good one.